Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Bluetooth speaker made by Archeer. Archeer reached out to me and sent this Bluetooth speaker out to me for review. So today I'm going to be talking about this speaker. So first of all, let's start with features. This speaker doesn't really have any NFC or any standout features like that. It's a very simplistic and basic speaker designed to do one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to reproduce great sound. On the back we have a 3.5mm auxiliary. Next to that we have a reset button in case we come across any issues. Next to that we have a charging light which is red when the device is charging and then turns off once it's fully charged, so you know the device is fully charged. And to the right of that we have a micro USB port which is used to charge the device. Just below that, on the left side of the speaker, we have a nice bass port used to displace the air that is built up inside of the enclosure by the woofer on the front. And trust me, this thing moves a lot of air. You can literally feel air coming out of the speaker from about two feet away. It pushes some serious air. Now on the front, we have two 1-inch full range drivers and a woofer in the middle. The two full range drivers are rated at 5 watts RMS each, and the woofer in the middle is rated at 15 watts. Now I'm comparing this in my mind to something, say the Marley Get Together, which I'm sure most people compare it to, and in comparison to the Marley, let me tell you, this thing sounds so much better. Not only is the treble more detailed and clear from this, I know you might not believe it from the one woofer on this compared to the two woofers on the Marley, but trust me, this speaker right here actually produces way more bass than the Marley does. I have both of them and I can tell you firsthand, this thing has more bass and better sounding treble than the Marley. It doesn't get as loud, but every other category this speaker's got it. Battery life, we get about 6 to 5 hours at about 80% charge, and then about 11 to 12 hours at about 50% volume, And trust me, that is ample for a Bluetooth speaker. If you're taking this out for a day, you'll get a full day's worth of music blaring out of this thing, because you don't need to run it at full volume all the time, because this thing is actually really loud. I probably wouldn't turn it past halfway in a normal use, like at home or something like that. Maybe when I'm out with mates or whatever, I'll crank it right up and I still get about 4 hours at full volume. But with that being said, I'm now going to jump over to some sound tests so you can hear how good this thing sounds. But trust me, if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, $80, link in the description to the website. This thing sounds amazing for what it's worth. And the amazing looks, it's got everything. It's got great battery life for a Bluetooth speaker of this size and price. It's got great build, it looks awesome, and it also sounds really, really good. But with that being said, I'm now going to jump over to some sound demos so you can get a first-hand glimpse of exactly what I'm talking about, and then after that, I'll conclude this video. So have a listen to the sound demos, and I'll tell you my personal verdict after this, and leave your personal opinions down in the comment section below, because I'd be sure interested to know what you guys think of this Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so with that being done, I personally think with this Bluetooth speaker, it has pretty nice treble, pretty nice bass, and just a pretty well balanced speaker all around. I tried to go for a bit of a different style with this video, so if you liked it, let me know down in the comment section below, or if you reckon I should just stick to my behind a table like I am now with this product in front and me behind the camera, let me know that as well, because I'm still 50-50 whether I should be in front of the camera or behind the camera. But with that being said, this Bluetooth speaker I highly recommend for $80, I think it is, on their website. Definitely go pick one up if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker. It has great sound. It definitely sounds better in person. My Rode mic isn't great at picking up low end. But anyway, with that being said, if you like the video, chuck a like down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're going to pick one of these up, let me know in the comment section below and tell me what style of video I should be doing next. With that being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.